Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to uninstall and delete Apple macOS apps and games. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. We might have a lot of apps and games on our Apple macOS devices like Mac Mini, MacBook, etc. But sometimes once in a while we might feel like we should remove or replace them. If you are a new macOS user and if you are confused how to do this, then here are the steps for that. Number 1, using the official App Store. App Store is a wonderful place to browse and install various apps and games. We can see all these categories here. We can browse them and install them. Suppose if you want to delete an app that we installed through the App Store, then we have to open the App Store app and go to our profile name here. And here we can see all the apps. And suppose if I want to remove this game, I just have to go to this 3-dot menu, select that, and here we will have the delete app option. We just have to select that. We have to confirm this again. So that's all. We can also download this again if we want. Number 2, moving to trash. If we have downloaded and installed the apps directly from the internet, then we can try this. Some standard apps come with uninstall option like this. We have uninstall option directly inside the package. If not, we can select the app that we want to remove or uninstall. For example, this app. All these are good apps. I'm just doing this for the demo. We have to close the app before doing this, and we just have to select move to trash. Sometimes we have to do a account verification before doing this, and after that we can find that app in our trash and we just have to empty the trash to completely remove it. That's all. Number 3, using system settings. We can go to the Apple logo here, go to system settings, go to general and then go to storage here. We can see the application section here. It will take some time to load. And after that we can select this I symbol. So here we can see all our apps. We can see the name, kind, last accessed and size. So we can easily filter the unused large applications, and we just have to select the application that we want to remove and then delete it. So we can see the storage size here. So we can delete this if we want. That's all. Number 4, deleting the leftovers. Sometimes even if we uninstall the app, we will have some leftovers like cache or log data. To delete them, we can open Finder and then go to folder. So here we can go to all these library places, logs, preferences, cache, application support. So we can go to all these places and we can see whether we have any folder of the application that we deleted. So if we find any, we can delete that. Make sure not to delete any currently using app or system applications. That's all. These are the steps to uninstall and delete Apple macOS apps and games completely. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.